Ideas come to you like a spark that starts a fire in your mind. But ideas can only burn you if you always keep them locked up inside. Time will slip on by if you're stuck here living life with too much caution. So go out in this world and get every single thing you ever wanted. Oh, it's safe where you are, but safe only gets you so far. What if you look your fears right in the eye? Say you'll see them another time. What if for once you can find a piece of you that you've been hiding? You've been hiding. What if you chase your heart out to the edge? Rewrite your stars and be brave instead.
Interpreting what is your interpretation.
We want to explore the idea of transcendence with like the fishes being able to swim on like land, something like that.
Sa lahat ng mga nagdaan na edisyon ng Parramatta Film Exhibition, pataas ng pataas yung quality. Palilit din yung mensahe na gustong iparating ng mga estudyante gaya ninyo.
Parramatta for initiating the event and for promoting the Ilocano culture. So, ang yaman na po na yun, kahit sa may kumata, kultuloy tayo nga ron, nga mangitagdag ay kinasyasin mo tayo kasi besa nga Ilocano.
I hope you learned something sa RVA. That's it.